Now let me talk about the production function and the various aspects related to the production. Now production function, it states the functional relationship between inputs and outputs. Now in this sense, the output is actually a dependent variable which is a function of set of the factors of production. Now in economics, we normally talk about factors of production being as land, labor, capital and manager. Now whenever I change these factors of production, how is going to this output respond, or this quantity of the output respond to these increase in the factors of production. This type of a relationship is studied under the production function. Now normally we study the production function in the two contexts. One is short run and another one is long run. Now short run is that period that is very short for a firm, in which the firm cannot install a new machinery or new equipment to increase the production. So it is very difficult for a firm to install new machinery and equipment in the short run. So it means that some factors are going to remain fixed over this short run time period. So if I talk about the quantity or the output, it is going to be the quantity of output is going to be the function of some variable factors and some fixed factors. Now these variable factors are those that can be changed in the short run as well, while as some of the factors that cannot be changed, they remain fixed. Now the long run is a time period in which it gives enough time for a firm to change the output. In this sense, the output or the quantity of the output will become the function of only the variable factor, where all the factors of the production in the long run can be changed in whatever scale we want to change them. Now in this sense, we will study the two time periods, and in this time periods we will study different laws of the production. Now if we talk about this short run, one of the factor is fixed while as one factor is variable, or some factors are fixed and some factors are variable. So in this case the production will change only by the change of variable factor. Now any change that we will see in the output will be only with the change in this variable factor, and this type of a law is known as law of variable proportions. So the behavior of the production in the short run is studied by the law of the variable proportions. We'll discuss that in detail in the coming lectures. Now in the long run, when we talk about when all the factors of production are variable, so the law that we are going to study in the long run is law of returns to scale. Now law of returns to scale states the relationship among the output and the factors of production in the long run. Now, let me now take you into the scenario where we can study about the relationship of the production in the short run.